What's up, y'all? It's your favorite hair reviewer back with another video, and we got us a unit from KlaiyiHair Hair. I hope I'm saying that right. So the specs on her is she is a 24-inch jerry curl wig, and she is a lace front that I did bleach and pluck off camera. If you look pretty closely, you can see that the hairline is very, very natural. And I think what makes it look like this is the lace on this unit is so bomb. It's nice and flexible, and it blends in perfectly with my skin. Next, we're gonna glue her down, and this texture is so bomb. This is the perfect texture for summertime vacation because you know summertime is coming up. It's right around the corner, so I would recommend this texture for that. You know, it's just a wet and wavy, super easy to style and everything. After we've gotten everything glued down and completely dry, because you don't want to style your baby hairs until your lace front is actually settled and dry. You want to pull out your baby hairs. I decided to do something extra. This texture I've always seen super extra baby hairs with this texture, and I've never tried it before. So today will be the day that I will be trying it. Since we are doing a half up, half down style, you do want to mold the top part of your hair into a ponytail or mold it going back. It just really depends on where you want your ponytail. I'm molding mine going back because I want the ponytail to be at the top of my head. So the best way to do this is to get you a hot comb and some freeze spray and get to molding. Now it's time for the fun part. I feel like the baby hairs is just like the icing on the cake, so I always look forward to this. I do it different every time, so you kind of just gotta master it on your own. Instead of me using water to set my curls, I'm going to use this setting foam, and I got this from the beauty supply.